Ladies and gentlemen, it is my honor to introduce a remarkable figure in music and education, Professor Silvester Carl Henderson. A true talent in gospel music, Professor Henderson has dedicated over 30 years to making a significant impact in both the musical and educational spheres. As a respected educator and motivational speaker, he has worked tirelessly to enhance academic access and promote diversity. Notably, he created the first collegiate gospel piano curriculum in California, paving the way for future generations. His leadership of the Young Inspiration Gospel Choir at UC Berkeley not only produced two celebrated albums now housed in the Smithsonian Institute's Gospel Music Division, but also marked the beginning of a dynamic career. For more than 3 decades, he directed the Los Medanos College Gospel Choir, bringing to life the Gospel Celebration concert series, which attracted audiences of up to 3,000 with performances featuring renowned artists. In addition, his nearly 45 years as the minister of music at Palma Seca Baptist Church have established one of the most respected church music ministries worldwide. Moreover, Professor Henderson is a fierce advocate and community leader, earning numerous awards such as the A2MEND Educational Leadership Award and the Albert Nelson Marquis Who's Who Lifetime Achievement Award. Recently, he was honored with the Gospel Music Legacy Award, along with accolades from congressional and city officials, reflecting his dedication to excellence in community service. Currently residing in Stockton, California, Professor Henderson is a proud father to 3 daughters. He continues to uplift spirits and inspire through his passionate commitments to music and education. Let us come together to honor the extraordinary journey and lasting influence of Professor Silvester Carl Henderson, a true legend in every sense.
Thank you so much for those kind words and that gracious introduction. I am honored to have the opportunity to speak to the digital media world worldwide. Thank you once again.
1. How does higher education contribute to the development of artistic confidence in African American gospel musicians?
How does higher education contribute to the development of artistic confidence in African American gospel musicians? Well, pedagogy, instrumental skill development, theory and musicianship growth, and historical overviews of all forms of music is how higher education can help contribute to the development and artistic confidence of not only gospel musicians, but all musicians.
2. In what ways can higher education programs support and enhance the cultural heritage of African American gospel music?
The question once again is, in what ways can higher education programs support and enhance the cultural heritage of African American gospel music? My answer is pretty detailed, but I think it's profound. Colleges and universities ought to invest in community music programs that demonstrate the artistic growth of their student performers through paid community performances and presentations. For example, both the University of California, Berkeley, and the Los Medanos College, of which both programs I directed, supported initiatives like the UC Berkeley's Gospel Experience Concert Series for 20 years and the Gospel Celebration Concert Series for 30 years. These were wonderful opportunities for the students to demonstrate their talent and to work with worldwide celebrities and gain professional experience.
3. What role does formal musical training in higher education play in shaping the confidence and skills of African American gospel musicians?
When individuals cultivate their music skills through dedicated study, gaining knowledge and developing their instrumental abilities, their confidence flourishes and their artistic expression takes form. Then you can truly say, well done.
4. How can higher education institutions create environments that foster artistic confidence and creativity among African American gospel musicians?
One of the ways is by creating wonderful curricular approved creative music certificates and degree programs, which are centered around the tradition of African American gospel music. As an associate professor at College of Alameda, I'm excited to share that we introduced a unique certificate in gospel music performance certificate program. This is the only program of its kind, not only in California, but anywhere in the country.
What impact does the pursuit of higher education have on the career opportunities and artistic confidence of African American gospel musicians?
True confidence as an artist comes from the ability to share your skills, your knowledge, and your unique musical expressions. When you've trained diligently, you can showcase yourself as a seasoned professional, someone who has polished their craft for meaningful careers and lifelong contributions that resonate with others. It's all about training, it's all about dedication, it's all about artistic presentations. All those wonderful things develop confidence. On behalf of my company, Professor for Life Incorporated, I want to thank you for taking the time to interview me, to ask me these wonderful questions about higher education, African American gospel music, and confidence. Be blessed. God bless you.